Hello, today I'm going to be making a small charm for a bracelet. A flower charm with frit. So I'm making the ball of glass thin and then dropping it into a bowl of ice water, which crumbles it and turns it into frit. And then I have some ivory glass and I'm making a disc on the end. And then I'm going to dip it into the frit, melt that all in, flatten it out, and punty up the other side and do the same thing. Flatten it out, dip it in the frit, melt it down, make sure it's a nice disc. I've sped up this video obviously. Right, now I'm punting it up with the transparent red on one side because that's going to be the center of the flower. And I'm going to use that clear side as the bubble that you see in the photo. And then I'm taking my knife, melting the edges down and making the petals. You can use a mold if you like. I just prefer to use a knife and shape my own glasswork. So you just go around really carefully, making sure that all the petals are even. If they're not even, you can remelt it and start over. Now I'm making a bail. Just joining the glass together to make a little bail so that it can fit onto the bracelet. I'm going to punty up the other side, pull off the red transparent, leaving a little red bubble in the center so that when the flower gets flipped around when you're wearing your bracelet, at least it looks nice on both sides. Melting it down a little bit, shaping it, and then I'm going around with the knife again to make sure that all the petals are nice on that side as well. Now I'm making a little bubble inside the red, so I poked a little hole. I'm going to add a dab of purple. And then pull off that punty, leaving the bubble window. And that is your little flower charm for a bracelet made out of frit. I made the frit from old glass